Hey guys, sometimes we risk our life, and which is very, very bad. Imagine what we are doing in the name of having fun. How can you do this kind of a thing? See this guy almost drowned. See, it's now the rescue team is coming. Okay, it's like there is something good that is coming out, but I don't think this guy gonna survive this. Just watch. Okay, the wave is coming. It's coming in more bigger. See the guy. The guy is lost again. So sometimes let's be cautious of what we are doing. This is not nice at all. Let's not risk our life. Imagine the wave is coming again. See how on earth is this guy going to survive? I pray that this guy survive this. Let's watch this guy.
Oh, I see. Oh, further to the left.